Hi there, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to learn how to share a website to a client to get their feedback on it here on Wix Studio. Let's get started. On your Wix Studio workspace, go to Client Experience, and here, select Client Feedback. If it's your first time using this, click Start Now. And here, select the site you want to send to your client to get feedback on. Then click Continue. Next, input the email address of your client right here. Then, input your message here as well. Alternatively, you can also copy this link over here and send it on other email or messaging platforms of your choice. Anyway, double check all the info and message you've input. Then, once you're ready, click send. And that's it. That's how you send your client the website you'd like to get feedback on. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.